Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics, a next gen from the 2022 Wave 2. We have Austin Dillon's 2022 test car. And on the back you can get other test cars, or you can get Dale Jr.'s Xfinity car and Kevin Harvick's number 4 2022 car. Sorry. Hang on. Alright, there we go. And let's get Austin Dillon out of his box. So here's the sticker, which is just his name, his logo of his name, and Bass Pro Shops. Here is the next gen Austin Dillon number 3 car. Well, his test car. So this is his test car because this is the same scheme he drove in the 2021 season. Obviously, now the next gens have their numbers are moved to the front, a little bit more to the front because of the sponsors, because then now they put the Bass Pro logo, tracker, off-road, and obviously the front, Bass Pro. Obviously now they have these new grids. I think they're like cooling systems. But the Chevrolet model is still similar. Oh, now they have the viaduct system. And also, this is a new bod for the next gen cars. Now they have one lug nut, which is why the tires are now different. The same classic, same font number 3 that he always ran. A new plastic underneath compared to, well, what the 2015 mods are. Because it looks slicker, nicer, more of a rounded shape in the back. And more of the front. An orange hood. But his 2022 car is a lot more cooler. And also a little more different than this car. But it's still a nice car. Not bad for his test car, which is his 2021 car. But in a next-gen body. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.